Hey there. Okay, I'm going to review this wig that I bought. Lately I've been buying wigs to kind of give my hair a break. So I've been lucky a couple of times. However, I saw this wig on, I think it was Instagram or Facebook. I'll put the image right here. And the color I ordered was dark brown. And I got this thing. Came from China. It said Brazilian lace front. And what they sent me was this. Does that look dark brown? And no lace front. Just the cap. Okay. It's got a little wave, but not like the picture that I thought. But this here. Anyway, I contacted them. And I wanted to send it back to them, but you know, shipping to China is not cheap, and it's not worth it. What I paid for this wig, I might as well hang on to it, save it for Halloween, or give it to somebody. But definitely, this is not my color. It's got the band. I have a big head with a lot of hair, and I'd have to tie this stuff down to try. Let me put it over my hair. Woo! Let's see how they put some parts to the side. No, this is not me. If it was darker brown, it'd be okay. I don't know if this is synthetic because it didn't indicate. Probably not because it didn't indicate it. And also the color. If I could dye it a dark brown, I might work with it. But the part that pissed me off, they said lace front, and ain't nothing lace front on here. Anyway, I'm not pleased. So that's my rant for the day. See ya. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll check you out later. I'll see you on my next video.